Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can add services on your LinkedIn profile just like the one I have right here. So let's begin the video. Here I have opened up my LinkedIn profile. You're going to go on the top right side, click on your profile picture, click on view profile. And here if you have not added services before, you're going to have this showcase services button. You're going to press on get started, and if it is not showing here, you're going to press on open to providing services, and here it's going to give you an overview of services. So basically what services are in LinkedIn is basically you add your skills or the services that you're providing. Let's say I'm a data analyst and I'm providing the services of doing analysis of data. So different clients will search in LinkedIn, and if your services match with them, they may message you for free, and if they like it, then they will hire you. So basically it's more of a freelancing work, just like you do on Upwork or Fiverr, but it's on LinkedIn. We're going to press on continue from here. First of all, you need to add services. Press on add services, and you're going to add up to 10 services according to your field. In my case, I'm a data analyst, so I'm just simply going to type data. Here is one, data reporting, and if your service is not showing by searching, you have all these menus which you can open and select any services that you want, and you can also remove them as well. In my case, I only have these two services. After that, you're going to press on done, and here in the about section you're going to tell about what you are providing in the actual service, what makes you different from the crowd, like your experience or your certifications. So make sure that you write clearly here, because it's going to be a major reason for the client to buy your service. So I'm just going to type my about section right here regarding the service, and here is my about section. After that, you're going to select the work location. You can either select your city, or if you want to work completely remotely, you can select this option. After that, you need to select pricing, so you can select in USD or any other currency, and your hourly rate. If I say $5, then I can work for $5 hourly rate, but I do not recommend that. Instead, select the contact for pricing option. In this way the client will contact you, and then you can set a reasonable price according to the client and according to the work, because sometimes the work may be so complex that $5 for an hour will not be worth it. So I prefer to select the contact for pricing option. After that, client request, this may update your open profile and email settings. So basically when you're going to enable this option, it's going to allow anyone on LinkedIn, even if they are not your contacts, they will be able to message you. So you should enable this option, because most of the clients are not in your connections list, so they should be able to message you. So enable this option. And lastly, visibility, who can see the services you are providing. Anyone can see the services. Press on next. Preview your service page. So basically this is a preview of what the client is actually going to see when they are going to open your service. Again, the about, what you're providing in your service, the location is remote for me, pricing, contact for pricing, and the services provided are these two for me. In your case, they may be more than that. If everything is okay, you're going to press on the publish button. If you want your network to know that you are providing services, you can start a post. In my case, I'm going to select no thanks. And here now it says providing services, data reporting, and business analytics. If you click on show details, it's going to show you your services page. You can edit this page and share it as well. You can also request reviews from your past clients to polish your page. You can also upload work samples of your past projects or something like that. And here it's going to show you your about section, your services, and you can also upload media as well, which are up to 8. If you select on media, you can add an image, a video, or even a link to relevant sites or documents. So yeah guys, in this way you can add services in your LinkedIn profile. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.